So, guys, here is the weekly analysis of the Nifty now. So, as you all can see the chart on the right side, this is the Nifty's chart. Now, if you see, Nifty has been falling from last five trading session. So, if you look at it on a weekly chart, this whole week was a full red week, right? You can see a huge red candle over here. So why is it red? Like, we all want market to go up, but you must understand that this is a cycle of the market goes up, market goes sideways, and then it goes down. So we are a part of this cycle, and that's how it is going. Now whenever it comes down, it retest the some key important areas. This is the monthly chart of the Nifty, what a stellar performance it's been. And you see, slowly a market is moving up. So how we should position ourselves and how this year closing is to happen, you all must be knowing that after 15th all the FIIs go for a vacation. Right now we are not dependent on the DII, on the FIIs, because we have our own heavy cash inflows in our market. So if you look at the Indian market, there are a lot of SIP amount which comes in, there are a lot of DIIs and the hedge fund managers and all the pool accounts. So all are invested in the market, so we are right now not so much dependent on them. But December, last 10 days, always been like a correction phase, kind of a closing. So this is what is going on now. This key band which you're seeing, this, the upper one is the 200 period moving average. As per the Dow theory, if market trades above the 200, it is bullish. If anyway it trades below the 200, it is bearish. Right now we once tested here and went up, and then again this is the second time when Nifty has come in this zone. And if you look at the historical chart, before this it came almost to this level on the election result, right, on the 4th June. So I think we are almost made the bottom. Last time we did a low of 23,263, and this time it is 537. So this is the band. Now it may come down a little, but in my sense, the way market is moving up, Monday should be a green day. So if Nifty now gaps up from here and doesn't come back to 537 in the upcoming sessions next week, it means that Nifty has made a bottom around 537. Now it's not gonna come back, and we can expect it to move up and up and back towards 20. If you see here, the zone, exactly the zone 24,300 is likely to come. Now if not, and if it further comes down lower and around 300, 23,300 to 250, around 200, again this zone can get tested, and then we will see market moving up. So if I conclude the whole analysis which I just explained it to you, so the conclusion here is that we are almost sideways, we are almost made the bottom. Now maximum we can correct 200 to about 300 points from here to the max, as of now, and then we should make a bottom and should move up in the upcoming trading sessions. If not, if this is the bottom which is already made on the Friday, then next week we probably may not retest, and then we can open with a gap up and can continue to move up towards 24,300 or higher. So this way, if you plan the Nifty's trade, so if you are a swing trader, if you have a portfolio, if you're already invested, you need not to worry. This is just 200, 300 points more kind of a volatility, and market will go up. So my sense is that these 10 days it is going to remain this 800 to 1000 points range, and after that Nifty should make a short term bottom, short to medium term, and then it should start moving up. Yeah, so this is all about Nifty. I'll catch you in the next video on the Bank Nifty analysis. I hope this helps. How you found this video, please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below. Bye bye.